Orchard Brands, a large mail-order fashion retailer, was experiencing productivity issues due to several aging IBMI applications. Call center workers were frustrated by complicated green screen applications with obsolete workflows. This affected order processing time, especially among seasonal hires. High training costs, productivity losses, and call center attrition were also having a direct impact on the bottom line. To overcome this challenge, Orchard Brands used Rocket Legacy Web to build new UIs and application workflows based on existing screen logic. Call center employees found the new interface to be much more intuitive than the original green screens. What was the result? Orchard Brands cut training time by 8 hours per employee and reduced call handling time by 50 seconds. They also saved money by building new workflows for existing applications rather than coding new ones from scratch. Want to succeed like Orchard Brands? Click the link at the end of this video to speak with one of our application modernization experts.